Goodness me, you've grown!
Help! Run!
No!
Mr. Fisher!
Oh, goodness! Nice, Kitty! Help!
Oh no! I've got this! Lily, you missed! I think you mean bullseye?
Huh? Aha! Saved by a flower pot!
We'll never save him! A good rabbit never gives up. We've got to get Mr. Fisher out of there before the cat does. Come on! This is bad, very bad. Here, Kitty, Kitty! You help Mr. Fisher! Come on, Benjamin! Yoo-hoo! Over here! Here, Kitty, Kitty! Okay, 1, 2, 3...
Oh. Well, hello. Am I glad to see you two? Perhaps we should go home for some cake.
Home and cake, my two favourite words. This way.
Where's Peter gone?
Oh, you know, he's over there being all petery. Look! Here, Kitty, Kitty!
My. He really is just like his father.
Help!
Oh, my!
What is it, Cat? You got the rabbit?
Oh no! Mr. McGregor's coming! Rabbits are brave, rabbits are brave.
Rabbits are brave, but so are frogs. You two stay here. I know what to do.
You do? Frogs are brave, frogs are brave.
I say, cat! How about frog's legs for dinner?
Mr. Fisher? No. Oh no! The cat's going to get him! I don't know, Benjamin. I think Mr. Fisher's up to something.
What's all this noise, then? No, Cat. I've told you, a wee little frog is a gardener's best friend.
You couldn't tell me where the blackcurrants are, could you? How rude. Imagine that. No manners.
I think that Mrs. Puddle Duck thinks Mr. McGregor's garden is a shop. Why would you think that? Because I did sort of tell her we got all the fruit we wanted here. Remember? But we can't let her stay in there. It's far too dangerous. No harm done. See, the cat isn't even interested in Mrs. Puddle Duck. She's much more interested in the ducklings. The ducklings! I can't look. Oh, we have to save them. Come on! Hey, you leave those ducklings alone. Yeah, why don't you pick on someone your own size? I didn't mean me. Oh, quick! Benjamin, Lily, get the ducklings up on the wall. Whoa! If you'd just like to follow me, please. I know. Quack, 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 quack. You're just the cutest duckling. Nice quacking, Benjamin. Ah! Quack, 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 quack.
A little too ripe. Not ripe enough. Yoo-hoo! Shopkeeper, do you have any other strawberries? Hello?
Quack, 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 quack. Whoa, steady! Whoa! Get Mrs. Puddle Duck! Hurry! I'm on it. Looks like I got the easy job, eh, ducklings? We'll just sit here quietly and... Hey, come here! No, heel! Stay, sit! Oh!
Hi again, Mrs. Puddle Duck. Oh, hello, Lily. Back for more shopping?
Yes, looking for a strawberry. Here's one, so we can probably go now.
I can't leave yet.
But Mrs. Puddle Duck...
Now, Lily, what sort of shopper would I be if I didn't get everything on my list? No, that wouldn't do at all.
Then I'll help you shop. 4 paws, wings are better than 2.
Oh, that is kind. Thank you. Because between you and me, the service here isn't very good. Now, what do I still need?
Whoa! 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 Oh! Better hurry with that shopping, Lily! Whoa! It's got a roof, it's private, and on the plus side, there are no badgers. There's not much room either. I think it's kind of cosy.
Ow! Benjamin, watch where you put your paw.
Whoa!
Benjamin.
Sorry, that wasn't supposed to happen. No one.
Unless I'm mistaken, that sounds just like rabbits.
Okay, maybe no one will find us under here, but I can't move my legs.
You're right, Lily. I've got a better idea. Why don't we try the farmyard?
Ah! Mr. Toad! Ah!
What? Oh, no. Filthy, messy mud. Well, never mind. I know where they're going, and I'll follow them just as soon as I get free of this. Whoa!
Plenty of places to build a new hideout here.
In the hay bales, behind the tractor, under the millstone. All seem pretty safe. But let's make sure no one finds out about it. Let's keep it a secret.
Got you, Mouse. Oh, it's you.
Mittens!
Hey, why are you creeping around my farmyard?
This is our new hideout.
So much for keeping it a secret.
Somewhere where we can plan our garden raids and keep out of sight from foxes and badgers. Not that I'm scared. I'm not scared of anything.
Ow!
Whoa!
Well, why didn't you just say so? If it's a hideout you want, you can use the hay bales. I'll even keep a lookout for you.
Really? Thanks, Mittens. But no one else can know.
Except me. I heard the whole thing. A secret gravity hideout right here in the farmyard. Wowzers! Let me help, please.
Okay, just Mittens and you can know, but that's it. Plenty of space to make plans. Plenty of space to relax.
And most importantly, plenty of space to hide.
Boom! Whoa!
This hideout just needs a little something else. Decoration. I've got a painting of a sprout that'll brighten it up.
Hey! Stop squirming!
Whoa!
Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Peter, that feather duster's got cottontail. Hi, Beaver!
Aha! I was looking forward to having a double dish dinner. Now I've got a bountiful buffet.
You just try it. I can't watch. Watch out!
Tail fellas!
What was that for? I could have taken him.
We need to make Old Brown let go of Cottontail without us getting caught or eaten.
Come out, come out. It's nearly dinner time.
Well, if Mittens won't come see my painting, then my painting will go see Mittens. Oh, Mittens, where are you?
Run!
Got you now!
Rose to brave! Rose to brave! Whoa!
Peter!
Go!
Ow! Mittens! Robinson, what are you doing here? I've come to show you my painting.
Sorry, Robinson, we're a little busy right now.
Doesn't anybody want to see it? I thought you were my friends. Especially you, Mittens. Robinson, we'll always be friends. The very best. But right now, we need to rescue Cottontail or she'll become an owl snack. Good golly lolly! Why didn't you say so? This can wait. Wow! Do I really look like that?
I give up.
One little bunny for dinner will have to suffice.
We have to hurry. Wait, I've got an idea. Robinson, I know someone else who'd like to see your painting.
You do?
Ooh, what's that? Kitty, kitty? Ha! Now I have you!
I've got you!
Peter!
Amazing!
Hey! Ow! Hooting hollows! Oh! Oh! I hate it when food fights back!
Haha! That's what happens when you mess with Mittens. Or my friends. Oh no, Benjamin!
Squeak. Squeak.
Where are you, cat?
Phew. I mean, squeak.
Here, kitty, kitty, kitty.
Ah, there you go. Now, where are my slippers? Yeah, there's a hedgehog in my slipper.
Mrs. Tiggywinkle!
And now there's a rabbit in my house. And another one. And one more.
Hurry, Peter!
You gotta be strong, you gotta be smart, you gotta be quick, you gotta have heart. Rabbits are brave, brave, brave. You gotta be bold to get what you need. You gotta be tough if you're gonna succeed. Rabbits are brave, brave, brave. Rabbits are brave, nothing's gonna stop you now. Rabbits are brave, brave, brave. Rabbits are brave, brave, brave.
Wow, she can sleep through anything.
We've got to get to the handle!
I can't reach it. Oh no, this is it. We're going to end up in a pie for sure. A good rabbit never gives up.
Getting too old to do this.
Pickles and pins, we're in a predicament. Peter, if you want that door open, you get yourself on top of that ironing board.
Okay. Whoa! Now what?
Push!
It's too heavy.
Get him! What?
Come on!
Oh, what a busy day. Oh, thank you, Peter Rabbit. Oh, never a dull moment with you around, is there? Oh, I've no idea how I'll get back to sleep after all that excitement.
It'll be nice not having to worry about old Brown anymore.
I suppose so, but in a way, I'll kind of miss the grumpy old... Ow! That's what I was going to say, Benjamin. No, ow, over there, on the shed. Oh, no. That's not just any owl. It's Old Brown.
What's he doing here?
Oh, this is bad. Very bad. And that's not good either.
I find a nice, quiet new roost, and I'm woken up again by you raucous rabbits!
Hello, Old Brown. Fancy seeing you here. Carrot?
Get you now!
Run!
Run, rabbit, run! Run like you've never run before. Run, rabbit, run! If you catch a shoe, you're done, so run some more. Your heart is pounding, those feet are sounding so close to you. What can you do? Oh, rabbit, run! You better run! I think I hear
Come on.
catching up to you.
Dead end. Oh, no. Stay back, Old Brown.
Gotcha! I think I'll celebrate moving into my humble new home with a tasty rabbit dinner. What do you want, you cantankerous cat? Oh, tail feathers!
Well, that takes care of that. But we still have a little problem.
Thanks for helping us out there. So, does that mean we're friends now? Whoa!
I think that's a no.
Rabbits are brave. Rabbits are brave. Uh-oh. One of my dad's secret tunnels. Go, go, go! Whoa! Phew.
That was close.
Come on. I've got you.
Save Shrew too.
Okay, save Shrew too.
Come on. Oh, my friend.
What's all this commotion?
Lesson 6. When all else fails, run really fast.
Come on, Peter.
That's it, Cottontail. You can do it. Oh, and you too, Shrew, I suppose.
Peter,
Watch out!
Cat!
Cottontail!
Robert! I'll put you in pie.
I can't believe I'm doing this. Shrew, one hug!
Time to go. That was close. Hold on. Where's the Shrew?
Here.
Oh, you're really brave, Shrew.
What is it with rabbits and hugs? Ugh.
I can't believe you saved Cottontail. You're a real hero.
Hero? Brave? Pah. Oh, no. I'm the Shrew. I'm fearsome and terrifying and...
I just meant we'd be happy to share Mr. McGregor's garden with you. You deserve it.
What? With that wild cat running around and that gardener with his big grubby hands? Oh, no, thank you. I'll stick with my, and that's my dandelions.
Peter!
What does your journal say about the cat?
Run! Help! This way, come on! Peter!
Oh, no, you don't. Not my journal! See you later.
I wonder where we should go for our picnic, Mopsy. Maybe just outside the burrow? Oh, I suppose. But it would be nice to try somewhere new. Peter? Uh-oh.
Oops, sorry.
Yeah, sorry, but we just got back from a radish raid. It was amazing. Benjamin fell over and wham, the flower pots crashed and wham, there was the cat and...
I wasn't scared. Not even a little bit. Whoa! Let's just say it was another great day thanks to Dad's journal. Come on!
Wow. Ooh. Whoa! Maybe the journal can show us a new place for a picnic. Do you think Peter will mind if we borrow it? Of course not. It was our dad's, so we're allowed to use it too. There's so much in here, Flopsy. Drawings and things to make and... Aha! A map! I wonder what all the red circles are. Really good picnic spots? Probably, Mopsy. And look! This Owl Island has an extra big red circle around it. This is going to be the best picnic ever! All thanks to Dad's journal. Wow, look! Cool. Why do you think they call it Owl Island, Flopsy? Probably because the island is shaped like an owl, Mopsy. Whoa! So clever, Flopsy!
This little squirrel.
So what do you think? Back to Mr Mcgregor's garden? Huh? My dad's journal. It's gone. What? Where is it? It's got to be around here somewhere. Not here.
Or here. Don't worry, Peter. We'll find it.
I must have dropped it somewhere in the woods.
In that case, we need to go where we can get a better view.
Huh?
Come on.
Wait for me.
Sprouts. Sprouts. Sprouts.
You're welcome, Pig Robinson.
I'm sorry. How rude of me. Thank you, Peter. Lily. Benjamin. Good golly lolly. What a treat. You'll join me, of course.
Of course. It would be rude not to. I didn't know lettuce had legs.
It doesn't. I know that for a fact. Hello, Albert. Louisa. Stanley.
We weren't trying to take your sprouts.
Well, maybe just one.
Mice are brave. Mice are brave.
There's no need to be afraid.
It's not you we're worried about. It's that kitten.
You mean Mittens? She won't mind. Not if you're with us.
No mice in my farmyard.
Of course, I could be wrong. Mittens! Whoa!
Hide! Over here! There! This is so exciting!
Over here!
No mice allowed! So, you think you can hide in my room, do you? Hey, you're not a mouse!
Excuse me.
Where are those mice?
Mittens, stop!
No mice in the farmyard, and that's that. But no buts. Out. That's more like it.
Wait!
It's not your fault, Peter. Cats chase mice. I know that for a fact.
We used to live in a nice cosy nook under a grain sack till she chased us out.
Imagine having nowhere to live, nowhere to snuggle down and feel safe and warm, no place to rest your head and call your own.
But we're going to find you a new home. Someplace without cats.
You'll come again